In this video, you'll learn how to set your away status on Slack. By following these steps, you can easily inform your colleagues when you are not available for communication. Begin by launching the Slack application on your device. Once the application is open, navigate to the workspace you are part of, ensuring you are in the correct channel or direct message area where you want to set your status. Next, locate your profile picture, which is typically found in the top right corner of the Slack interface. Clicking on your profile picture will reveal a drop-down menu containing several options related to your account settings. After you click on your profile picture, select the option labeled Active from the drop-down menu. This will show you your current status and provide options for changing it. You should see a list of status options appear on your screen. Once the options are displayed, look for the selection that says Set Yourself as Away. Clicking this option will immediately change your status to a signaling to your teammates that you are not currently available for messages or calls. You will notice a change in your profile status indicator reflecting this adjustment. It is important to remember that when you set your status to away, your colleagues will see this change in real time. This can help manage expectations regarding your availability. If you need to return to active status, simply repeat the process and select the option to change your status back. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.